letters. Group can be 4 letters with or without figure. It can be in two letters, one figure, 3 letters, one figure, 4 letters, one figure. So it will be like this. So you have to be prepared and you have to receive it correctly in order to pass. Okay. Some of the groups I'll just give for practice. If you are ready, tell me, I'll just.
So can you repeat again, sir? Your voice was cutting. So can you repeat?
Okay. The groups may be 2 letters group, 3 letters group, 4 letters group, like that. Sometimes it may be with or without figure. So you should carefully watch the 2 letter, and if it is 2 letter group, go to the next box. If it is 3 letter, receive 3 letters, go to next box. You have to keep on shift like this, recognizing the characters and the space between the 2 groups. Got it?
Sir, how will we disguise, sir, between the 2 groups?
Yeah, space will be more. Space. This letters will come one space, one rhythm, and afterwards the space will be more. Then again the letters will start. Again space will be more. Like that coding. Okay. I'll send one passage, that is one group. You just receive and we'll see how we are going to perform or are performing now. Okay. Now I'll give start, then you start receiving it. Okay, ready? Not ready?
Ready, sir, ready.
Okay, ready. Start. Okay, read.
First group, India, Oscar, Romeo group.
Wrong. Anybody read words?
Sierra, S-O-B, Papa, number 3.
Sierra, Oscar, Papa, Terra 3 group.
That is correct. Sierra, Oscar, Papa, there are 3. Next group.
Echo, Vector,
Mike.
That's also correct. Next.
November, Oscar, Tango, Echo.
Okay.
X-ray, X-ray, X-ray.
So what is the third group, sir?
November, Oscar, Tango, Echo. Fourth, X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. Got it?
Sir, we could not determine, sir, where to stop. Like, sir, all our four groups were wrong.
Okay, I'll send only 2 groups. Then we'll check 2 by 2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Start.
Yes,
Read.
sir. Victor, Oscar, Tango, Echo group.
Correct.
Lima, India, Foxtrot, Terra 3.
Yeah, now we are able to recognize between the 2 groups. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the gap. The gap is very important. Seeing the gap, you have to decide what to do next. Okay? 2 more. Read.
Sir, Oscar, November, Oscar group.
Afterwards,
Tango, Panta 5 group.
next.
Foxtrot, India. Last one was missing. Sir.
Okay, there is confusion, man. So we'll take a break about 5 minutes. Okay? Take about 5 minutes break. Again, we'll assemble. I think there is confusion. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
was actually, sir? What was actually?
Huh?
Actually, what you transmit?
No, you just let us take 5 minutes break. Then we'll assemble. Okay?
Okay.
All got a little bit trouble. Okay.
What was the last one, sir? Last group, what, sir? What was it? Kilo India, kilo? Yeah, correct.
Yeah, kilo India kilo. Okay. Anyway, this group beginning is not that good. Anyway, just 5 minutes. We'll take break and have water or something like that. Again, we'll assemble. We'll start with full vigor. Okay. Just 5 minutes break.
Okay, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Group start.
Charlie Hotel 99.
Group.
Echo Tango Zulu India group.
Okay. Now again I will send two more groups. Start. Read.
Oscar Papa Tango Sierra group.
Ship Sierra Hotel India Papa.
Good. Next, I'll send four groups together. Four groups together, then I'll come for correction. Okay? Okay?
Mic off कर लो यार, mic off कर लो सब.
What is it you are telling?
Asking to switch off the microphone for other participants.
Okay. Hey, other people, please switch off your microphone so that there will not be any disturbance. Okay, kindly switch off your microphone. Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Sir, this speed will be the same in the exam, sir.
no, yeah, this is only beginning speed, touching speed. Okay, the speed will be little more, but don't worry about the speed now. But you try to receive the characters, find out the gap, all these techniques you understand first. Then think of speed. You got plenty of time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Start group. I'll send four groups together, then I'll come for correction. Start. Read.
Sir, Kate 4 Tango Mike group.
Okay.
Kilo Tango November Terra 3 group.
Group.
Yes, sir. Lima Tango Romeo Oscar group.
Correct.
And Oscar November Echo group.
Correct. So you are just catching up how the groups are coming. Correct. First you have to get
confirm
Huh?
second group? Second group,
What is it?
please answer. For the second group, correct answer, sir.
second group. Kilo Tango November Terra 3. Correct.
Okay, correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you just observe how these letters are coming, group letters are coming, how the gap is being created, how much gap is coming between one group to other group. This you carefully adjust, carefully watch so that you will not have any problem. Okay, group to group, timing and the gap, you should be very careful to identify that. Okay, see, because 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters used to come, but sometimes 2 letters means very short, but gap will remain same. 4 letter means very long, but gap will remain same. So you have to understand the gap between one group to other group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, again, I will send 4 groups, then come for correction. Start. Read.
Niner Oscar Romeo Sierra group.
November Oscar Romeo Sierra group.
That is correct.
Oh, sorry, sir. No, it's
I
November.
understand. Okay, next.
Next, Bravo Eco Foxtrot Set 7.
Not fast start. Lima.
Lima, okay.
Next.
Tango Alpha Oscar group.
Tango, November.
Tango Alpha Oscar.
Tango November, third one is missing, and Charlie.
No, Tango number. What is that exactly?
Oscar, sir.
Tango November.
0. Tango number 0. Correct.
No, sir. This
Yes,
signal
sir.
was
Yes, sir.
signal was
Tango
transmitted
November 0.
incorrectly. That was for the signal was transmitted incorrectly, sir. That was
Okay.
for
Okay. Leave it that. Okay. Next.
Kilo Charlie Hotel.
No, Oscar was there.
Oscar was there.
Yankee Sierra.
Huh?
Oscar Kilo
Oscar
Yankee
Kilo
Sierra.
Yankee Hotel group.
That's correct. Oscar Kilo Charlie Hotel is correct. Okay. Next line. Next 4 groups. Get ready. Start.
Alpha Lima Group.
Good.
Bravo Eco X-ray X-ray Group.
Correct.
Oscar Tango November Penta 5 Group.
Correct.
Charlie Oscar Oscar Lima Group.
Okay, you are catching up. One more. Grab. Start. Read.
So Victor Tango November Romeo.
Read, please.
So
First group, sir, Victor Tango November Romeo. Group.
Correct.
Second group, Kate for Hotel Oscar Kilo.
Correct.
Third group is Victor Lima Tango Romeo.
Good.
Last group is Mike Oscar Sierra Octa 8.
Fantastic. All correct. How about others?
all correct, sir.
Correct.
Correct, sir.
All correct.
You are catching up. Don't worry. You are catching up. We'll see. And one more group. Start. Over. Read.
So Kilo India Victor Group.
Correct.
Papa Oscar November Delta Group.
Correct.
5 Hotel Sierra India Group.
Good.
And Octo 8 Tango and Alpha Group.
Alpha group. Okay, you're all catching up nicely. What I will do is I will send one more group of 8. 8
Sir,
group.
before that, can you confirm third group?
Tell me what is that? Huh?
Third group answer, sir. Correct answer for third group.
Third group. Okay. Third group is Victor Lima Tango Romeo. Correct?
No, sir. Penta 5 Hotel.
Penta 5 Hotel Sierra India.
Yeah, Penta 5 Hotel Sierra India is the correct second line.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll send 8 more groups. With that, we will conclude. You are catching up nicely. Tomorrow, I'll combine both and start practicing on single letter as well as groups. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Again, I'll send only groups. Okay, group start. Read.
Sir, Victor India Victor Kilo Group.
Correct.
Eco Tango November Hotel Group.
Not hotel. Penta 5. Correct.
Yes, sir. Charlie Oscar Papa Octo 8.
Correct.
Victor November Tango Soxy 6 Group.
Correct. But second group, read again.
Sir,
Echo Tango November Penta 5.
Penta 5 is correct. Before you said hotel. Okay.
sir, this last one was Victor November Tango Bravo.
Bravo, sir. It is Soxa 6.
Success 6.
Yes, sir. I also got mistake Bravo, but it is Soxy 6.
Soxa 6. How many received Soxa 6?
Received Soxy
Sir, I received Bravo, sir.
Success 6.
Soxa 6.
Yeah. Some people receive Soxa 6, some people receive Bravo. That happens always. Okay. It may be network problem also from your end. Okay. Anyway, I'll go for one more groups. That is 4 groups. Okay. Ready? Start.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, can you increase the speed for exam practice?
No, yaar. This is second day, yaar. Don't worry, yaar. Other
Okay.
people have to just pick up now. You are reset?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
No, if you are reset, now you may ask speed. Other people have to pick up slowly. Correct or
Yes,
not?
yes,
So
yes,
I
yes.
should tell the recent people come third day. Because now we have to slowly bring them up. Okay? Okay. The last line, 4 groups. Start. Read.
Lima Foxtrot group, Victor Tango Mike Romeo group,
Correct.
Charlie Oscar Kilo Terra 3 group,
Good.
X-Ray Yankee Zulu group.
Very good. Okay, I think with this we can conclude today. Tomorrow I'll combine like examination pattern. I'll start. Okay. Thank you.
Sir,
Good night.
timing,
First group, sir.
timing, sir.
First group. Yeah, wait. First group is Lima Foxtrot group.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, timing, sir.
Okay.
What
Thank you,
time,
sir.
sir?
Good night.
What time, sir?
What time, sir?
Excuse me, sir.
Same 6 o'clock tomorrow.
Sir, can we do
Sir,
early?
ask one thing, sir.
Please, sir.
No, yaar, because we have to stick on to some time.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
So 6
Ah.
to 7.
Are you taking morning also?
No, morning also it's not possible, man, because I have other schedule morning. So it's okay. You are doing very well. No problem. This is only second day, third day,
Sir,
fourth day,
I have
fifth day.
to ask one thing, sir.
Tell me.
Chennai में अपने 27th exam, sir.
Yeah, 27th only. 12 o'clock. They say you have to be there by 10 o'clock.
Sir, before exam, sir, we get time to get practice, sir, during exam.
No, yeah,
examination
no.
hall, sir.
That day it's not possible because if it is 3 o'clock, I used to do. Because I also have to travel about 90 kilometers from Chennai. I am from rural area.
Sir, one day before possible, sir.
One day before, anyway, we will be having this thing, no? Class. No problem. You
Sir,
be all right, man.
Sir, class is there for, but that class can be early because we have a schedule also to come back. Transportation is.
We have to travel.
Yeah,
back.
we'll work out the last day. Last day, one day before last day, we'll work out according to the convenience. Okay.
Otherwise, make it
Last day,
at
keep the class
the.
by sir 7 o'clock, sir, in the evening.
No,
Yes, sir.
8 o'clock will be okay, sir. 8 o'clock.